Got my coffee, courtesy of Dead Stock Coffee in Portland. Got the shoes, camera set up, let's get into it. What is going on YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this lacing DIY, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we're hitting it really close to that 10,000 subscriber mark here on this YouTube channel. Thank you if you're subscribed already. If you're not, you definitely will want to, because once we hit 10K, I'm gonna give away a Supreme Super Soaker and a Supreme Floral Skateboard deck. So hit that subscribe button right here. I'll wait. All right, let's get it. So I've been uploading shoe content to the channel for about 2 years now, and whenever I post a Jordan 1, I always lace it up with 2 sets of laces in different colors. So in this particular pair, it's black and blue. And within that 2-year time span, a lot of people have been asking me about how to lace the shoe, and usually I would like blow it off. I'll be like, just look at the picture and just go off by that, or I'll respond and say, hey, I'll come out with a video soon, and just delaying that. But I feel like now is the most compelling time to create this DIY video, especially since we're all supposed to be quarantined in our apartments or our houses. So here it is. So this lacing style has been made popular as of recent by Union LA, but to be quite honest, I've been doing this lacing style way before those Union ones came out. As of recent, I've done this on the crimson tint ones, I did it on the pine greens, I did it on those Defiant ones, the McDonald looking ones. Pretty much if I have one, I'm gonna do this lacing style. This one right here, I'm actually gonna do the blue and then a red up here. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to remove all the laces from the shoe that we're starting with. Now, I already have this one done, so let's start on this left pair right here. Then you're gonna want to choose the 2 sets of color laces that you're gonna apply onto the shoe. And again, we're gonna just use this same color scheme because it shows up pretty well on the cameras. So go ahead and take your first color set of laces and feed them through the eyelets on the lateral and medial sides in that first eyelet. Once you've fed the laces through, go ahead and take the eyelets and make sure, like when you're pulling, that you have the same amount or the same length of lace on both the lateral and the medial sides of the shoe. Also, you're going to want to make sure that there are no twists or tangles in the lacing when you're pulling them through. There, you want it flat across. Next, we're going to take the shoelace that's in our left hand, place it above like that, and then we're going to take the lace that's on the right side and we're going to feed that through the second eyelet that's on the lateral side of the shoe. Again, making sure that we don't have any tangles or twists within the laces. It needs to be just a straight bar. Once that lace is fed through, we're going to place it like we did the previous lace. So we're gonna grab that previous lace and take it over to the medial side of the shoe and place it into the second eyelet. And we're going outside in again. Again, this whole shoe, where all the laces are going outside in. And make sure that the lace is not tangled or twisted. You just want it to look straight. So if you look closely at the shoe, you'll see that there is a pattern going on. You have one lace that is going over and then another lace that is going under and then into the eyelet. So we're just going to maintain that pattern going all the way up to the 6th or the 7th eyelet. So go ahead and grab your lace from the right side, the medial side, and we're going to place it into the 3rd eyelet on the lateral side of the shoe. Make sure it's straight, no twists. Take the previous lace that we used. We're gonna put it into the medial side of the shoe in the 3rd eyelet. And that's what it looks like so far. Again, the over, the under, the over, the under. Continue all the way up to number 6 or number 7. So we're at the 6th eyelet right now. We're not in the valley yet, that valley eyelet, we're the one before that. What we're gonna do right now is that you see this tongue holder right here. We're gonna keep that same pattern going on by taking the lace that's on the right side, feeding it through that hole. And then placing it into that valley eyelet. Same thing across. This one's gonna be our over. We're gonna place it in the hole. It's over that lace and place it into that valley eyelet. And this is what it should look like so far. So there are several things that you can do. If you know that this is a temporary thing, you know you're gonna change laces frequently, you can just leave the laces there. Or if this is more of a permanent solution, you can just take the ends on the inside, knot it off, and then cut the excess. So let's start with our secondary lace. This is a royal blue color. And what we're gonna do is actually feed this lace inside that valley eyelet. Now for the medial side, we're gonna feed it through. And ideally, before you put the lace in, you wanna make sure that the lace is straight across with no, again, twists or anything like that, no tangles. Cool. Take the auglets and measure it out, make sure it's equal in length on each side. I have some twists going on, so I'm gonna try to straighten it out a bit. Cool, so we have that bar done. It's straight across, there are no twists or anything like that. We can continue with that pattern. So we take our lace that's on the left, place it on like that, and then we grab our lace that's on the right side, and we're just gonna feed it through the eyelet on the lateral side of the shoe. Right here, this bottom eyelet right there. Take that previous lace and we're gonna feed it through the eyelet that's on the medial side now. Cool, so now that we are done lacing the shoe, you can try the shoe on and make the proper adjustments by pulling from the top and going down. Now that we finished making our final adjustments on the lacing system, you have to decide if you want to wear this styling temporarily, if you want to change up the lacing colors and whatnot pretty soon. You can just knot it up like this to where you have some slack at the end and then tuck it into the shoe. Now, if you want to wear more permanently, the styling permanently, you can knot it right here on the inside lining and then cut off the excess. Overall, I really love the styling of these Jordan 1s. I love lacing the shoe up 3/4 of the way in one color and the other 1/4 of the way in a different color. It just makes the shoe pop a lot more. And I also love the styling because a lot of people don't do it. And if you walk in public and then you see someone with the same pair of shoes, they definitely don't have this styling. Yours will look a little bit flashier. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about this lacing DIY on this Jordan 1 Retro? Is it a good tip? A bad tip? What other DIYs would you be interested in? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris.Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we are hitting it really close to that 10,000 sub mark here on this channel. Thanks if you're subscribed already. If you're not, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers, see you now.